Damiano David is an Italian singer and songwriter. He was born on January 8, 1999 in Rome, Italy. He is the son of Daniel David and Rosa Sogna Miglio, both flight attendants. He has a brother named Jacopo. Since 2017, David has been in a relationship with the Italian model and influencer Giorgia Soleri. He got engaged to model Giorgia Soleri in 2021. David is fluent in English and can speak some Spanish and French. He is an advocate for racial and LGBT rights. He is also an avid fan of Association Football Club AS Roma. In 2017, X Factor judge Fitz commented that David is a real frontman. In 2021, his band Maneskin won the Eurovision Song Contest in Rotterdam, Netherlands. In 2021, Manuel Agnelli praised him in similar words to have a natural charisma of the great frontman. Due to the nature of his parents' work, he and his brother Jacopo traveled worldwide from an early age, introducing them to various cultures. He has also participated in many music programs and live stage shows. Being a member, David and his friends began several EP studio albums and singles involving Tu Ballo della Vita, Torna a Casa, Chosen, Ventane and more. He is also active on social media sites. Until he was 17, he showed some talent playing basketball as a point guard at the local club Eurobasket Roma. He recalls that the basketball experience gave him fundamental discipline to succeed in his life. David sang a cover version of the song I Wanna Be Your Dog as well as voiced the character of Jeffrey, assistant of the main antagonist for the Italian dub of the 2021 film Cruella. In 2021, their second studio album Tetro Dira Volume 1 was released. Even their winner at the Eurovision Song Contest 2021, he was falsely accused of drug use during the final. David never used drugs and along with his bandmates has been an anti-drug advocate. David himself stated in his Vogue Italia interview, "We are not falling into the stereotype of the alcoholic and drugged rockstar." He believes that creativity comes from a healthy, trained and lucid mind, and it is contradicting trying to truly express our own self by binding ourselves through something that instead makes us dependent slaves. Also referring 27 Club, David started singing when he was only 6 years old. He met Victoria De Angelis and Thomas Raggi, who he would eventually go on to from Maneskin with during his high school days. He studied at the Liceo Linguistico Eugenio Montel in Rome, but he did not complete high school and instead devoted himself to his music career, for which he had the support of his parents. When introduced for the position of a vocalist for their local band, he was initially rejected because his style was considered too pop, but his insistence to be in the band eventually got him accepted. David soon changed his demeanor and style, especially his stage persona, because he learned how to freely express himself. The band was formed in 2016 and initially played as buskers in the streets of the city of Rome. But in 2017, they soon rose to prominence when they finished second in the 11th season of the Italian talent show X Factor. The band had a breakthrough debut with the studio album Tu Ballo della Vita and a tour in 2018 and 2019.